I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. I open the curtains for sunlight. I open the curtains for sunlight. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I brush my hair in front of the mirror. I brush my hair in front of the mirror. I pick out my clothes. I pick out my clothes. I fold my pajamas neatly. I fold my pajamas neatly. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I check my messages at home. I check my messages at home. I clean my room before lunch. I clean my room before lunch. I organize my makeup on my desk. I organize my makeup on my desk. I water the plants in the living room. I water the plants in the living room. I sit on the couch and relax. I sit on the couch and relax. I watch videos on my tablet. I watch videos on my tablet. I make coffee in the kitchen. I make coffee in the kitchen. I add milk to my coffee. I add milk to my coffee. I toast bread for breakfast. I toast bread for breakfast. I spread butter on my toast. I spread butter on my toast. I eat cereal at the table. I eat cereal at the table. I wash the dishes after eating. I wash the dishes after eating. I wipe the kitchen counter. I wipe the kitchen counter. I put groceries in the fridge. I put groceries in the fridge. I get snacks from the cabinet. I get snacks from the cabinet. I cook pasta for lunch. I cook pasta for lunch. I cut vegetables for dinner. I cut vegetables for dinner. I wash fresh fruit in the sink. I wash fresh fruit in the sink. I drink orange juice at home. I drink orange juice at home. I fill my water bottle again. I fill my water bottle again. I open the windows for fresh air. I open the windows for fresh air. I vacuum the carpet in my room. I vacuum the carpet in my room. I sweep the kitchen floor. I sweep the kitchen floor. I mop the floor carefully. I mop the floor carefully. I dust the shelves in the bedroom. I dust the shelves in the bedroom. I clean the bathroom mirror. I clean the bathroom mirror. I wash my face with warm water. I wash my face with warm water. I put lotion on my hands. I put lotion on my hands. I paint my nails at home. I paint my nails at home. I listen to music while cleaning. I listen to music while cleaning. I sing along to my favorite songs. I sing along to my favorite songs. I dance around the living room. I dance around the living room. I stretch my arms and legs. I stretch my arms and legs. I do yoga in my bedroom. I do yoga in my bedroom. I exercise with an online video. I exercise with an online video. I sit by the window and read. I sit by the window and read. I read a magazine on the sofa. I read a magazine on the sofa. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I study English at home. I study English at home. I practice speaking English out loud. I practice speaking English out loud. I repeat new vocabulary words. I repeat new vocabulary words. I watch English movies with English subtitles. I watch English movies with English subtitles. I take notes during practice. I take notes during practice. Great job! Practice these sentences every day. See you in the next lesson.